Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Rich, and if you're not, appreciate you for coming back. So, how much money did I make um, last week on running cover calls? Or cash secure put? If that's all you here to know, well, let's get straight into it. That week, I ended up making $720. $720 cover call, and I actually got a sign. But reason why I didn't make much here is because if you were paying attention to like last week episode, I also got a sign. Um, the 100 shares are $250 with 100 something dollars in premium, I believe. What was it? What was it? Yeah, so I had $129 in premium. So when I sold this at the exact $250, I only kept the $720 premium, even though I got a sign. And you guys know what happened to Tesla that week. Um, if that's all you wanted to know, thank you for watching. But if you wanna stay more and hear my ramble, you welcome to stay. So after I saw that options for the week, keep in mind the prior episode, the one thing I was freaking out was election. I didn't know how election was gonna be. I don't know how the stock was gonna, act toward the election. So that's where I was like, I got to get out this stock. And since I was getting a nice premium for it, I'm like, why not? So I hopped in for the $720. Now, literally right after I put this, or a day after the stock started shooting up, and kid you not, on election day, that $720 premium turned into 4,000 something. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of sick, but I've been through that roller coaster before, and I damn well know profit is profit. You know what I'm saying? So right now, what's my next move? I think Tesla is too expensive once again, and Nvidia, which is my second opinion, is also kind of expensive right now. I'm not too sure I'm comfortable holding them at the price they are right now, but that leaves me with two options. I could either find another stock that's in the S&P 500, or I'll play Nvidia and Tesla still if I could, and at the same time plan to instantly flip the stock or instantly run a cover call on it just to get out at the with little price movement as possible. So right now I'm stuck in thinking. Um, I'm recently did a crazy um move here in this portfolio, but I'm not gonna disclose it until later because if anybody's watching this, and even though I'm saying don't do this and they might attempt this, things might go south real quick. But the other stock is in the S&P 500. I actually ran it this week on there, but it's on the verge of getting delisted. So running cover calls on it might not be, or is not, the perfect idea, especially when Hindenburg, whatever they call it, did one of the short theses on there. But I'm not gonna get into that. Sometime later, you guys might see a video on that, so you guys know how the portfolio is doing. So thank you very much for watching and stay tuned.